basically guys, this road is extremely narrow, so we have to wait until the people come around, then we go around. See that? You have to stop, let through somebody, then you try and go through fast before next vehicle comes up. So freestyle, we're at the junction now. Yeah, we have made a small stop. Yo, Foodman, what's up? Cherry mango. Alright.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures! What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back. As you can see, look, we're out here in Jamaica, we're on the island and it's a beautiful day, cool beautiful day, and we're heading to the cool hills of Portland, Jamaica. So we're going to link up with some other YouTubers and we're just going to hold our vibes. So in the meantime, we're just going to give you a look of what's going on the road. Yeah, we're going to show you basically the route from Kingston to Portland. But actually we already left Kingston. We're like about halfway the journey to Portland, so just enjoy the ride guys. In the meantime, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, hit the subscription button. Join the freestyle movement, you know the vibes. But the road guys, the corners and the precipice, I mean yeah, so yo, if you can't drive, don't even think of taking on these roads. There is a lot of hill, a lot of valleys, a lot of precipice, as you can see for yourself. I'm going to give you a view of the road, and the road is very narrow. So at all time you have to make sure you keep your corner. And yes, it's a two-way road, it's not a one-way road. Alright, for example, this corner coming up right here. See that? Roads are extremely narrow. So you have to just make sure you navigate your side of the road, keep your corner. Alright, look at this one again. Yeah, so some of these corners are like basically an S. Here we go again. Hey! Freestyle, and right here is Shelly, and around the back there is Odette. What you say? Say something to the vlog. Odette?
Freestyle Nation. Big up Freestyle Nation. Freestyle, know the vibes.
Yo, the road, like, yeah guys, so stuff like these are stuff that I enjoy. I mean, you know what I mean, like driving to the countryside, especially on a morning like this where the morning just cool, the sun is not hot, and it's just a beautiful vibe. You can see corner and more corner. Alright, look at this one coming up guys. Boom, 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 boom. So we actually write the letter S just now around the corner. Go again, boom, boom, boom. Alright, so as I said before guys, we are driving to Portland. Oh, wow, this is here. That vehicle break down. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that. The beauty of Jamaica. I mean, it not get no better than this. Cool, beautiful, nice atmosphere. It survives. It survives. So we're at St. Mary right now, guys, as you can see, and the journey continues at the port. So basically, guys, this road is extremely narrow, so we have to wait until the vehicle come around, then we go around. That you have to stop, let you somebody, then you try and go through fast before next vehicle comes up. But it survives. So we're now in St. Mary. Yo, that tree is pretty. Catch it? The place is just cool, peaceful, calm and relaxed. Look at that. Corner. Right. Drivers, yo. So we are now entering the Castleton Garden. So the Castleton Garden, guys, is a river with something like a park, like a garden. So like it's a place that you could go like for picnic, a place for camping and stuff like that. It's a nice place. I'm not sure, but I'll probably stop and give you guys some clippings of it. But I'm out here in Jamaica, guys, and it's fun. Wherever in the world you are, guys, just book your ticket and come to Jamaica. Right now at Castleton, guys, look at that. Nice and beautiful. And the river is right behind the garden, right here. And it's just amazing. Nice, calm, peaceful Jamaica land we love. Now look at the fake cap right there. You see? In St. Mary, and the journey continues to Portland. Over here is the river. Before, guys, on these roads you have to make sure you stay on the near side of the road at all time, because if you slip, you slide. The road is very narrow And the drivers in Jamaica, I must tell you, yo, they drive like they're on a racetrack. Even though the roads are so narrow, yo, the man them drive like they're on a racetrack, yo, no joke. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Nice view, nice scenery. Okay, so this is that bridge that takes you across the river. I guess this probably take you to our next community. Yo, the place is just nice, yo. This is the kind of living I'm talking about. And yo, the breeze, I mean, like, the fresh air is just different from what you get in New York. Like, it's just a complete different vibe. Nothing to compare. I mean, it just cool, it just relax, and the place is just a vibe. This corner of the left when you put your arm. The driver that is coming on the opposite down. Be on your side too much because this driver they drive like I don't know what, but so we have made a stop right here at this bridge. Wow, this is scary. Look at that. Nice and cool, nice and relaxed. Wow, look at that, guys. This bridge is so high, yo. So freestyle, we're going to continue the journey. We're going to Portland, and I must tell you guys, it's just a vibes out here in Jamaica. It doesn't get any better than this. Ladies, what y'all say? How is it going? Alright, so we're gonna take on the road again, so catch you. We're at the junction, and we're probably gonna stop and see what they have. So let's see. So freestyle, we're at the junction now. Yeah, we have made a small stop. Yo, Foodsman, what's up? Cherry mango. Alright. Yeah guys, so basically this is a famous stop where you could stop and get like food like soup, stuff like that. Yo, soup man, where the soup man at? guys. Right under the road. So basically if a car run off of the road, they're on the people them house spot. Countryside, I mean the place just calm, cool and just relaxed, you know. St. Mary banana farm over here. Now in Anatoly, guys. So we're in Portland, basically. Anatoly, Portland. The place is nice, green and fruitful, and all like. Guys, remember to like, share and comment, and if you haven't yet subscribed yet, hit the subscription button, join the freestyle movement for more, you know the vibes. Portland, Jamaica. Yo, the place just beautiful. Yo, trust me, I just can't enough of that place. Yo, it's a vibe. Stop and get some mangoes. Mango time. So yeah, we want some vibes with them mango here right now, so you know the vibes. Like, share and comment if you haven't yet subscribed yet. The subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.